How to delete ChexSystems information and improve banking access. Introduction to ChexSystems. This educational guide explains how to address and remove negative information from ChexSystems, a database that tracks your banking history. Negative entries in ChexSystems can prevent you from opening new bank accounts, but with the right steps, you can dispute errors, resolve issues, and restore your banking credibility. What is ChexSystems? ChexSystems is a company that maintains records of your banking history. Banks rely on these records to decide whether to approve account applications. Issues like unpaid fees, bounced checks, or frequent subscription overdrafts can result in negative marks that make it difficult to open new accounts. Common issues tracked: unpaid subscription fees, repeated insufficient funds or declined payments, accounts closed for misuse. By monitoring your ChexSystems report, you can identify and address issues affecting your banking reputation. How to access your ChexSystems report. Log into ChexSystems. Register for an account on their website. Request your report. Navigate to the Request Your Report section and click Consumer Disclosure. Indicate whether you've been denied a bank account based on ChexSystems data. Submit your request. Review your report. Once available, the report will include personal details, name, address, social security number, inquiries from banks or other entities, negative entries affecting your record. Downloading your report for future reference is recommended. How to dispute incorrect information. If you find errors in your ChexSystems report, follow these steps to dispute them. Access the Dispute tab. Select the issue you want to address, such as incorrect names, addresses, or account information. Provide reasons and documentation. Explain why the information is incorrect. Upload supporting documents, e.g., identity theft affidavit, police report. For fraudulent accounts or identity theft-related issues, visit Identity Theft.gov to create an affidavit. Submit the affidavit with your dispute. Complete and track your dispute. Submit the dispute through the ChexSystems portal. Monitor your dispute status, which is typically resolved within 30 days, 21 days for main residents. Keep records of all submissions and correspondence. If the online process is challenging due to browser compatibility, use Google Chrome or Firefox for smoother access. Alternatively, request your report and submit disputes by mail. Opting in and out of ChexSystems. Opting out. During disputes, you can opt out of ChexSystems to protect your data temporarily. Opting in. After resolving disputes, opt back into ChexSystems to apply for new bank accounts. Tips for managing your ChexSystems account: download reports, save copies for reference and ensure all disputes are documented. Use compatible browsers, avoid Safari and Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Firefox are preferred. Maintain good banking practices, avoid overdrafts and ensure subscription fees are managed properly to prevent future issues. Conclusion. Understanding and managing your ChexSystems report is essential for maintaining access to banking services. By addressing errors and maintaining accurate records, you can restore your banking credibility and avoid future account denials. Subscribe for more information. Learn more about banking, credit management, and financial strategies.